Hi, my name's Jake Cohen. I'm one of the founders of Step by Step BNB, and we're here to offer you a great opportunity to take our course for free. Now, I'm not a fast talking salesperson that has some sort of special secret method. I'm just a normal guy that's been working hard for the last 4 years trying to figure out the best way to host on Airbnb. I'm going to give you all my secrets, go through all my message templates, walk you through page by page how to get set up on your Airbnb account, and make sure that you have everything you need to be a successful host. If that sounds like a good deal to you, we'd love to have you as part of our course. Airbnb has told us that the first 100 people we get signed up, they'll cover their course fee. Now, this is a $500 course, and I would love to get you in as one of those first 100 people. Let's continue on, and I'll tell you a little bit more about why this is such a great course. Hope to see you inside.
Let's talk a little bit more about what you'll learn inside of the step-by-step Airbnb hosting course. First, let's take a look at some of the listings that I've had success with. So here's my pro profile. As of right now, I have 8 listings up, and you can see that across the board, I have a 5-star rating. Some of these are listings that I've helped other people with, and most of them are my personal listings that I own. The only reason that I show you this is to show a little legitimacy to the fact that I've been doing this for quite some time. You can see some reviews on the left. I have 530 reviews with a 5-star average. I've actually hosted close to 2,000 stays now. And I look forward to helping you on your journey to become great Airbnb superhosts as well. So, we're going to offer this course to you for free. I spoke about that already. Normally, we sell this for about $500, and luckily, Airbnb is offering to pay the bill for a little while. You will also get a nice $45 credit when you get your first booking. Always nice to get a little something for getting started. So, let's talk about hosting. These are the main problems that I hear from people about why they can't become Airbnb hosts. Number one, I live in the wrong location. Well, let's check out Kalamazoo. Kalamazoo, Michigan, probably not the place you would think of that would be the heart of Airbnb demand. Nonetheless, you can see that there's 169 places for rent in Kalamazoo, Michigan. You can look at these first two on the left-hand side. The first one has 182 reviews. The second one has 154 reviews. Obviously, they're renting their place quite a bit, and they're doing really well. Why do people travel to Kalamazoo? To be honest, I don't know, but people travel everywhere. Why? Because they want to visit their family, they have work to do. Some people just want to see the largest ball of twine. The second reason people say they can't be Airbnb hosts is that they don't have enough time. Well, let me tell you, it's easier than you think. Now, I'm not going to sugarcoat it and say everything is easy all the time, but on average, I only spend a couple of hours a week per property to make sure everything is running great. The reason I can do that is because I've automated all of the tasks and messages that I can that are associated with my Airbnb properties. Let's take a quick look at a message chain that I had with a recent guest here. Now, this was at a property that I help someone else with. Now, you can see at the very top here, Jason was inquiring about coming to our property. He puts in the basic information that I ask for when he submits his reservation request. He then gets an automatic response. He didn't have a verified ID. This is something that I require for all of my listings. So he even got a help article on how to take care of that. He then gets his reservation request accepted because he added the ID. Then he gets a reservation confirmation automatically. And he gets my recommendations of the best places to go in the area in Steamboat. Then he gets 2 days before, he gets the address and a Google map, the specific instructions on his stay. He even thanks me for it. He has no idea that I didn't personally send that. It's automatically populating his name. And once he gets there, he gets a settled in message. Are you settled in all right? Are you having a 5-star experience? If not, who to contact? Once he checks out, before checkout, he gets a message on what to do to properly check himself out, a reminder to take a look at our other properties. And then after he checks out, he gets a message that says it was a pleasure to host you. Unfortunately, he said, "Oh, no, I'm just wrapping up a meeting." Automatically receives a message that gives him information about getting a late checkout, and he takes care of that. All of this was completely hands off on my part. Pretty cool. So the last reason that I get from people why they can't be an Airbnb host is that they don't know how. Well, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to give you all of my message templates. I'll show you what software to use. I'll even give you a list of my favorite furnishings so that it's easy for you to get up and running quick and easy. So are you ready to start? All you have to do is sign up below, click the link, sign into Airbnb, and start the course. I look forward to seeing you inside.